This is Megan Petty, and we're at my home in Austin, Texas. I want to thank you for checking out Trader Joe's already, and I'm here to offer my service to help with you with your shopping, with your food and meal prep ideas. I'm here to teach you how to cook. I've had so much experience since the age of 8 and cooking meals for myself. When I was 12, I was featured in a children's magazine because I had my own cooking business for the neighborhood. Nowadays, I follow anti-inflammatory recipes. I do not eat dairy or soy or wheat. And oftentimes I choose a vegan or vegetarian diet. I'm here, though, to cater to whatever your needs are. Most importantly, what's practical and what's going to work for your lifestyle. So reach out to me at allthingspetty@gmail.com so that I can meet with you and we can talk about what your needs are and how to meet those. But let's step into my kitchen and check out a snack that I made today. It's super simple.